In this video, we will go over the steps to replace an expiring RSA hardware token with a software token. First, navigate to mytoken.ny.gov. You will land directly at the self-service console. Enter your email address in the user ID box, then click OK. Note, if you do not have a valid state email address, please log in to the RSA self-service console with your agency UPN. Now choose your authentication method by selecting Password from the drop-down. Then click Log On. Next, enter your Office 365 password. This is the same password you use to log on to your computer and email. Now select Log On. If you have not set up your security questions, click the Setup link and set up your security questions. Select 8 security questions in the language of your choice. Once complete, select Submit Your Request. Once your security questions have been completed, you will receive the Successfully Registered message. Now you need to request a replacement token. Click on the Request a New Token link. Do not click the Request Replacement link. Select Software from the Request a Token drop-down menu. Select the radio button next to the operating system of your mobile device. Next, provide a nickname for the token. Note, do not edit the pre-populated device serial number field. Now create a new 8-digit numeric PIN. Be sure to make it a number you can easily remember. The PIN cannot begin with a 0 or be consecutive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, 4. In the Reason for the Token Request box, please enter Replace Expiring Hardware Token with Software Token. Then select Submit when complete. You will receive a confirmation once your request is successfully submitted. Click OK. You will also receive an email confirmation from the Enterprise RSA team when the token has been submitted and approved. Next, we will install the soft token on your device. Before you begin, make sure you have a mobile device or tablet in hand. Make sure that device is connected to a network. Have at least 2 minutes to complete this process and have reviewed the instructions. From the App Store on your mobile device, download the RSA SecureID app. If you have difficulty finding the app, type RSA SecureID in the search field. Now let's log on to the self-service console. Go to mytoken.ny.gov/console-self-service from a device other than the one on which the RSA SecureID token app is installed. In the My Authenticator section of the My Account page, click Activate Your Token. On your mobile device, open the RSA SecureID app. If prompted, read the license agreement and tap Accept. You will then be directed to the welcome screen. Tap the plus symbol in the upper right-hand corner to launch the camera, which will scan the QR code that was emailed to you. Tap OK to allow access to the camera. Point the camera at the QR code on your computer screen. The camera will scan the code and import your token. Once successfully imported, you will receive a message on your mobile device and on your computer screen. This completes the process. You are now able to use the software token. If you should run into issues with importing your token, please contact RSA at its.ny.gov for assistance.